Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy manicure for fall. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So to be honest, I wasn't sure what to do with this design, as sometimes that happens to me. I don't have any clue of what stamping plate to use or what kind of design I would like to see on my nails. So I start by choosing the colors. So that's some of the process that I follow, and I hope that can be helpful for you. So if you find that sometimes you don't know what to do, just try to pick the colors or kind of like the color palette that you would like to use. In this case, I was thinking on some browns, gold, shimmer, and a little bit of dark red or burgundy colors. So I decided to go with this design. The base color has a little bit of texture. It has some flakies and glitter on it. So I applied a soothing coat just to make sure that the surface was completely flat and even to do some stamping on top. So here I'm just using the colors that I picked. This design is very abstract, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You can use many colors at a time, even different colors in different nails, but I just wanted to repeat the same design in all of my nails. And you have some other options of doing this with a glossy finish or with a matte finish. So I wanted to show you both versions. I think they both look great. They're very different, but at the same time they're really beautiful. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. I really love how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.